This is the second video where we are trying to recover the ball in the middle third. Now we have player number two from the opposite team having possession of the ball, and we're gonna create a scenario here. Let's say number 11 doesn't apply the right type of pressure on the ball, and instead of being patient by pressuring the ball, keep some distance and pick at the right moment to trying to recover the ball, he rushed himself, and number two it's able to beat him in the 1v1, for example. All right, now what is happening is that we have a number two penetrating our defensive kneel, and we have to have a plan of how we're gonna be reacting if this happen for whatever reason. Now we need to be clear that the players that need to go and trying to not trying to but cover the space that number 11 is leaving, it's number 6 that he needs to go and take care of number 2, and immediately at the same time number 8 comes. As I say before, this is not a movement that one's do first and then the other. It's the two players are doing the movement at the same time. One is going to pressure, the other's coming to cover. Immediately, number 10 also close the gap in the middle, and we're gonna have number 7 dropping all the way back in a way that we keep our line. Now we're playing in a different system. Now we are using system of play that is 1-4-4 and 2, let's say, with these two players in the top, right? This is not our ideal scenario, but still we're trying to recover the ball with number 2. All right, let's say now they play and successfully go and play the ball to number 7, because we were unable to recover ball on number 2. One of our defensive principles is that we always want to be sure that we outnumber the players defensively. We always want to be sure that we are pressuring the ball, that we have cover and we have balance. Now, in this situation, we can see that player number 7 is in a 1v1 situation with number 3, in here. And then number 9 is a 1v1 situation in here. So in this situation, we have to make sure that number 4 is fully aware of making sure that if 5 has to come here because 3 it gets beat. All right, number 4 is going to be taking this responsibility, and then number 2 is coming to play the roles as a central defender, and then number 7 keeps dropping, and now we have a different system, right? Now we have 4 defenders again in the back. We have 3 midfielders in the middle, and then more likely we're gonna have 3 players in the top. This is very important to have clear how we're gonna be reactive, which ones are gonna be our visual cues for us to compensate and control and make sure that we are not getting disorganized and unbalanced, because that's the intention of the opposite team. So we can be successfully recovering the ball in the middle third.